Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video we will talk about the importance of learning operating systems. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. Importance of learning operating systems. Learning about operating systems is crucial for several reasons. Number one, foundation of computing. Operating systems or OS serve as the foundational software that manages hardware and provides a platform for other software to run. Understanding how an OS interacts with the hardware and software layers is essential for anyone studying computer science or working with computers. Number two, efficient resource management. Operating systems are responsible for efficiently allocating and managing hardware resources such as CPU time, memory, disk space, and peripheral devices. Learning about resource management helps developers create more efficient and responsive software. Number 3, security. Operating systems plays a vital role in computer security. They provide mechanisms for user authentication, access control, and protection against malicious software. Learning about OS security is crucial for developing secure software and understanding potential vulnerabilities. Number 4, application development. Operating systems provide application programming interfaces or APIs that allow developers to interact with hardware and perform tasks like file I/O, networking, and process management. Knowledge of the APIs is essential for building software that works smoothly within the underlying OS environment. Number 5, troubleshooting and maintenance. Understanding how an operating system works is invaluable when it comes to diagnosing and resolving system issues. Whether you're developer, system administrator, or user, knowing how OS functions can help you troubleshoot problems effectively. Number 6, performance optimization. To create efficient software, developers need to understand how their code interacts with the operating system. Profiling, optimizing system calls, and managing memory effectively all require a deep understanding of OS interactions. Number 7, embedded systems. Many devices are used daily such as smartphones, smart TVs, and IoT devices rely on operating systems. Learning about operating systems is essential for anyone interested in developing software for these embedded systems. Number 8, virtualization and cloud computing. Modern virtualization and cloud technologies are built on the principles of operating systems. Understanding how virtualization works and how cloud services are managed requires a solid understanding of operating system concepts. Number 9, career opportunities. Operating system knowledge is highly valuable in various IT and computer science roles, including software development, system administration, network engineering, cybersecurity, and more. Number 10, critical thinking and problem solving. Studying operating systems encourages critical thinking and problem solving skills. Operating systems are complex systems with intricate interactions, and understanding them requires analytical thinking and logical reasoning. In essence, learning about operating systems is all about understanding the foundation of computing and how software interacts with hardware. This knowledge not only helps you become a more well-rounded computer scientist or IT professional, but also enables you to make informed decisions when developing software, maintaining systems, and troubleshooting issues. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on the importance of learning operating systems. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.